Hello everyone. Today we will discuss class 12 in accountancy, accounting for partnership. Most important MCQ or OTQ or objective type questions. First one, features of partnership firms are option A, two or more persons are carrying common business under an agreement. Option B, they are sharing profit and losses in the fixed ratio. Option C, business is carried by all or any of them acting for all as an agent. Now option D, all of the above. Features of a partnership firm are, here option C is the correct answer because business is carried by all or any of them. जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे के सारे साथ में मिलके फॉर्म को चलाए, उसमें से कोई एक भी ही चला पाएगा. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. बिजनेस इज कैरिड बाय ऑल और एनी ऑफ देम एक्टिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ऑल एज एन एजेंट. साथ साथ में अपने पॉइंट्स भी चेक करते जाओ आपके कितने सही हो रहे हैं. फॉलोइंग आर एसेंशियल एलिमेंट ऑफ अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म एक्सेप्टेड. At least two person, there is an agreement between all partners, equal share of profit and loss. Partnership agreement is for some business. Following are essential elements of a partnership firm except at least two partners, there is an agreement between all partners, equal share of profit and loss. Partnership agreement is for some business. Here equal share of profit and loss. एक्सेप्ट बोला था, हाँ मिनिमम टू पार्टनर होते हैं, यानी ऑप्शन है ये तो आएगा नहीं. देयर इज एन एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन पार्टनर्स, के बीच में एग्रीमेंट होता है तो वो भी आएगा नहीं. पार्टनरशिप एग्रीमेंट इज फॉर सम बिजनेस, वो भी आएगा नहीं. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, इक्वल शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. नेक्स्ट वन, in case of partnership, the act of any partner is option A, binding on all partners, binding on that partner only, binding on all partners except that particular partner, none of the above. In case of partnership, the act of any partner is binding on all partners. Option A is the correct answer. तो एक पार्टनर काम करेगा तो वो सबके लिए बाइंडिंग है क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे के एजेंट है. Which of the following statement is true? A minor cannot be admitted as a partner. A minor can be admitted as a partner only into the benefit of the partnership. A minor can be admitted as a partner, but his right and liability are same of adult partner, or none of the above. We have to choose the correct statement. Which of the following statement is true? Your option B is true. A minor can be admitted as a partner. कोई भी minor है वो as a partner हो सकता है, but only into the benefit of the ये partnership. अगर partnership को उससे benefit है तो. Next one. Ostensible partner are those who do not contribute any capital but get some share of profit for lending their name to the business. Option B, contribute very less capital but get equal profit. Option C, do not contribute any capital and without having any interest in the business, lend their name to the business. And option D, contribute maximum capital of the business. Ostensible partner. ये ऑस्टेंसिबल पार्टनर क्या होता है कि जो खुद का नाम ही सिर्फ फॉर्म को यूज करने के लिए देता है, कोई कैपिटल वेपिटल वो कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करता है और ना ही उसका कोई इंटरेस्ट होता है. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, डू नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट एनी कैपिटल and without having any interest in the business, lend their name to the witness. Now next one. Sleeping partners are those who take active partner in the conduct of the witness but provide no capital, however salary is paid by them. Do not take any part in the conduct of the witness but provide capital and share profit and loss in the agreed ratio. Take active part in the conduct of the witness but provide no capital, however share profit and loss in the agreed ratio. And option D, do not take any part in the conduct of the witness and contribute no capital, however share profit and loss in the agreed ratio. Listen, sleeping partner are those who. अब sleeping partner means नाम के ऊपर से ही पता चल रहा है, he will not take any part. So see, option B is the correct answer. Do not take any part in the conduct of the witness but provide capital and share profit and loss in the agreed ratio. Here option B is the correct answer. Next one, the relation of partner with the firm is that of option A, an owner, option B, an agent, option C, an owner and an agent, and option D, manager. Option C is the correct answer. The relation of partner with the firm is that an owner and agent. What should be the minimum number of person to form a partnership? What should be the minimum number of person to form a partnership? Option A 2, option B 7, option C 10, and option D 20. So your correct answer will be option A. Number of partners in a partnership firm may be maximum 20, maximum 10, maximum 100, maximum 50. Their option D is the correct as per the Alteration of Companies Act 2013, maximum 50. Option D. Liability of partner is option A limited, option B unlimited, option C determined by court, option D determined by Partnership Act. Liability of partner is unlimited. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not an essential feature of a partnership? Which of the following is not an essential feature of a partnership? There must be an agreement. There must be a witness. The witness must be carried on for profit. The witness must be carried on by all the partners. We have to check the not an essential feature of a partnership. So we can say that here option D, the witness must carried on by all the partners. जरूरी थोड़ी है कि सारे पार्टनर्स साथ में मिलके फॉर्म को चलाएंगे. So option D is the correct answer. Next one. XYZ are partners sharing profit and loss equally. Their capital V balances on March 31st, 2012 are 80,000, 60,000 and 40,000. Personal assets worth as follow: 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000. The extent of their liability in the firm would be. See children, यहाँ पे क्या दिया था? कैपिटल दिया था और पर्सनल असेट्स भी दी थी. ओके, and they are asking the extent of their liability in the firm. जितना उन्होंने लिया होगा their personal assets, उतनी ही उनकी liability होगी. So 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000. Option B is the correct answer. Next one. Every partner is bound to attend diligently to his days in the conduct of the witness. Every partner is bound to attend diligently to his days in the conduct of the witness. Rights, Option B, meetings. Option C, capital. Option D, duties. The correct answer will be duties. Every partner is bound to attend diligently to his duties in the conduct of the business. Next one. Forming a partnership deed is mandatory. Option B, mandatory in writing. Option C, not mandatory. Option D, none of the above. Forming a partnership deed is not mandatory, means not compulsory है, फॉर्म के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. Okay. Partnership deed is also called prospectus, article of association. Option C, principle of partnership. Option D, article of partnership. Partnership deed is also called article of partnership. Option D is the correct answer. Which of the following is not incorporated in the Partnership Act? Which of the following is not incorporated in the Partnership Act? Option A, profit and loss are to be shared equally. Option B, no interest is to be charged on capital. Option C, all loans are to be charged interest at 6% per annum. Option D, all drawings are to be charged interest. Their option D is the correct answer. Which of the following is not incorporated in the Partnership Act? All drawings are to be charged interest. Is the correct answer. When is the Partnership Act enforced? When is the Partnership Act enforced? When there is a no partnership deed. Option B, where there is a partnership deed but there are differences of opinion between the partners. Option C, when capital contribution by the partners vary. And option D, when the partner's salary and interest on capital are not incorporated in the partnership deed. When the Partnership Act enforced, when there is a no partnership deed. Partnership Act enforced कब होता है? जब partnership deed हमने ना बनाया हो. So option A is the correct answer. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर एंड मोर कॉमर्स रिलेटेड वीडियो. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि सारे के सारे अकाउंटेंसी एंड बिजनेस स्टडी के सारे लेसन के OTQ क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस कर पाए. थैंक यू.